Hello, hopefuls. Thanks so much for coming back to the channel today. I hope you guys are doing great. I am doing wonderful. So today I have an Instacart pickup that I did for the first time, and then I went to Dollar Tree. I'm just going to put it all into one video and show you guys Dollar Tree at the end. So this is the first time that I did the Instacart. It's through Instacart, but it's Aldi pickup, and I had a free pickup anyway. It was like no fee. Usually they charge like $1.99 to do that, so I end up doing that instead of doing Instacart. I was originally going to do Instacart, and then I said, well, I got to go to Dollar Tree anyway. So let me show you what I picked up. Today I am going to go to Sam's soon. I don't know, it depends on what Mama wants to do tomorrow, but I probably like to wait during the weekday just in case something's out of stock when I go to Sam's, and I'm going to be kind of hot, not hot, but you know, going all the way up there, 30 minutes out the way, 25 minutes, and they don't have what I want. So because I don't think I've been to Sam's since January, and there's some things to get. And I have not been replenishing stuff in our prepper pantry. And I think I was working on editing that video today, so you guys probably will see that before this video. So you can go on the channel and see if you can find the most updated prepper pantry tour. But it's just one area of my prepper pantry. I'm not going to show the rest, just that. Okay, y'all, so I got 2 of the cookies and cream. I need to put this in the freezer. I got some romaine hearts and some spring mix. I got 2 of the Caesar salad kits and some shredded lettuce. We're going to have tacos. It is Friday, but we're going to have tacos. I really wanted something else, but that's what the kids wanted. I got some green onions. 2 bags of broccoli. When I go to Sam's, I'm going to get some more. And I'm glad I finally have some room in the fridge and some room in the freezers, because I got tired of playing Tetris in the refrigerator. And I noticed too, y'all, that we mainly eat from the freezer and the fridge. I had a discussion with, I think or his username, not sure if it was a woman or a man. Their name was private, and they said, I don't want to say everything they said, but well, I guess they put it as a comment for everybody to see. But they were saying they were going through like a little pandemic of their own, and a lot of the things in our prepper pantries are full with sodium, so you have to watch it. I kind of already knew that. And you kind of don't, until you start eating off of your pantry and using it, you don't realize that. And so not every once in a while, but we mainly eat from the fridge, and to make a long story short, and the refrigerator. And then I go in there occasionally to get things from the shelves. So yeah, and you just have to make sure you drink your water, be cautious of what you eat, and rotate your items, be cautious of what you eat, and stay active. So that's what the hubby and I are trying to do on this journey. I got off track when it was my birthday, but getting back on track. So I got 2 things of this bacon. I like the center cut bacon, but they were out of stock. As soon as she said it was out of stock, I put a replacement. I got some shrimp. I thought I got 2 of these, but I must didn't hit 2. I got some tilapia. And this is the big bag. I haven't gotten tilapia in a while. I have been seeing this in the store, the Italian style pork sausage, but I have not tried it. So I finally got that. And then I got the regular original. They also carry hot, and I'll probably get that another day. The other day I made some skirt steak with a veggie, and this was so good. I seared it. I seasoned it real good, and I seared it in the pan. And I think I used some of that garlic butter from Sam's, so I definitely will be getting more of that. You have to watch that. It's kind of a little salty, but you just don't use a whole lot, but it's good. So I seared it, or did I use Kerrygold butter, the Aldi brand? I don't know, y'all, but it was so good. I seared it and I put it in the oven. I cooked it on low. Okay, y'all, so then I got some pink salmon, and I got the 2-pound bag. I got 3 things of ground beef. I'm gonna make one of those tonight. Jason wanted some granola whole grain oats, honey, and almonds. Oats, honey, raisins, and almonds. I got 3 of the peachy juicy peach. I like this one. I should have got strawberry. Jason likes strawberry. I got another of the Healthy kombucha. I just got one the other day, but I like these. I don't know why I just got one. I got 3 of the pizzas, and I'll probably get them some DiGiorno when I go to Sam's. Some taco style cheese, some medium fresh cut salsa. I wanted this because usually salsa is low in calories and stuff. Probably can, yeah, it's only 5 calories. Probably can make your own. But I meant to order the hot organic salsa today and forgot. I also thought I ordered Josiah's waffles. I only was going to get one because I'm going to get the Eggo waffles at Sam's. Okay, then I got some bananas. This is 2 pounds. They'll go through that really quick. Some light sour cream. The navel oranges, they look a little funny, y'all. So I told them if they start changing really quickly, then I'll take them back. Okay, and then I got the Cheesecake Bites. These are seasonal, and my store still has them. So this is good if you want something sweet, because they're really small. And want something sweet, and you're trying to cut your calories and not, or trying not to eat as much. So these are good for that. My new Aldi does not carry a lot of the frozen stuff at all. So anyway, I probably need to go and get another 2-pack. I got some 5 crab cakes. I haven't got these in a while. These are good in the air fryer. The hickory smoked flavored almonds. I really needed the no salt, but it'll be all right. I got some tomatoes, some pancakes. I don't pick these up a lot because my big boys, they eat them a lot. They eat them really quickly. So if I'm not around, they'll try to get like 4 or 5 on their plate. So that's why I didn't get them. I couldn't resist. I got these peanut butter candy cookies. I'm going to try every point, every calorie. I got 2 of the flour tortillas for them, and then I got the low carb for myself. I think we still have low carb. I got some honey wheat bread. I didn't like that keto bread at Aldi. The 45 calorie, I think someone told me about that bread. I do love that bread, and I have one in the freezer. So if I'm eating it by myself, I don't go through the bread as quickly. I got 2 of the apples. And then I got some green peppers. They look a little weird. I don't know why they're shaped like that. But if I go to Sam's, I'm going to get a big bag, and then I'm just going to slice them, chop them up, and put them in a freezer bag. Let's see, some red onions and some yellow onions. And then I got a case of water, and I'll show you what I got from Dollar Tree. Okay, guys, so from Dollar Tree, I got some of these puzzles. I did pick up some like months ago, and they have put 2 together, and Josiah loses the pieces. So I did went ahead and picked him up some. We did have like 4 stashed away, not stashed away, but in the entertainment center, so they can put them together later. But I got these with less pieces, so he can put these together on his own if he wanted to. It's a lot of snacks. I went ahead and got their Easter basket candy because I don't go in Dollar Tree a whole lot, and when I go back, the stuff is gone. So I didn't hardly get none of the cute signs this year, anything. It's just those old signs that were there before. So I got the Trolleys. JJ and Josiah love these, and the Sour Patch Kids. They look like that for the bunnies. I like these hot and spicy peanuts. And then the honey mustard onion pretzel pieces. Those 2 are mine. I got a total of 6 of these. I have to find the other ones. And then the Snickers minis, I got these for Trail. Really the jelly beans for anyone, but I probably will. I got 2 bags of these somewhere. I will put them probably in eggs. I may get a bigger bag of jelly beans from Walmart. The peanut butter cups, got those for Trail. He may not have all of those. And then I will divide these up amongst all of them. The Tootsie Fruit Chews. I got 3 of these plant labels for our little garden. I've been looking up videos and stuff on how to start, and we need to start like yesterday or last week. I got two of these Easter grass. Like, these were already sort of picked over as well. Because I have boys. They have the boring colors. And then I picked up 3 different designs of these. They must be in another bag. This one has, like, that's what it looks like. If they had these last year, I don't remember. They probably did, but I missed out on those. I believe I picked up some shovels and stuff for us last year, but I had to go in the garage and check. But I was like, they're only $1, and this is a more narrow one, and this is a wider one. And then I got 2 of these little rakes, and these were the last ones. These were getting low. I got this Fabric Fashion face cover. Okay, I got some scissors. I got tired of looking for scissors. I don't know where they all went to. I have my craft scissors, but I got this one in a black one. It must be in another bag. And then I picked up another one of these. I had this before, but in pink, the 2-in-1 brush and comb set. And this for like your baby hairs and little small parts. I also got tired of looking for the candle lighters. I know I picked up a couple, but anyway, I got a lot more candles. I'm going to upload this haul. You probably guys will see it when I got the candles recently from Aldi. I also, in another haul, I picked up like 3 pairs of these gloves, and I was using them for my freezer and to dig through my freezer because my hands feel like they're about to fall off. So these are actually for us to garden, and we probably... yeah, the garden. I think I had to throw the other ones away. I like the Dollar Tree has this rubber side because the other ones were fabric and they get so nasty. There's the other jelly beans. Okay, I got these little gold eggs just for some decor. Not sure which ones that I know they had probably some different colors. I'm not sure what they had because they were all gone. I really didn't get on top of going into the Dollar Tree for the Easter season. I don't know what happened. And then this is the other Easter basket bag, and that's what it looks like. Here's the other scissors. And then I also wanted a word hunt, and probably inside his Easter basket, he's gonna get like books or coloring books, but it seems like he has coloring books or activity books and don't use them. But I don't know, maybe he's getting older, he will. So that's what he'll probably get. I won't get any toys because he just has too many toys. It's like a nightmare in his room. So the Bible Word Hunt Volume 1, I got this one. I should have went ahead and got the Volume 3. I didn't see the 2, but this is what it looks like on the inside. And sometimes I need to take time out to do things like this because I'm like always... like I was in the middle of editing a video today, which I haven't been doing a lot of YouTube, but I've been doing other things. And I don't know, I just came downstairs and I was like, I'll do it later. I had one just sitting there waiting for a thumbnail, but I was like, I'll do it later. Today's Friday. I'll upload a whole bunch of them at one time and I'll do it later. Because I just don't, even when I'm sitting watching TV, I'm doing something else at the same time, not paying attention. Okay, multitasking. So I got this Home Sweet Home. I have a bunch. When you guys have been on the channel and watched for a while, you know, I was like picking up stuff that was new at Dollar Tree more so than what I needed or wanted. Not wanted, but you know what, needed. And so I have a bunch of these coloring books. So the other day, I was showing Josiah what I had because he was little when I was getting that stuff. And I was like, these are the ones I picked up because everybody was searching high and low for them. And I was like, I thought I had some better ones than I did. So I like this one because it's home. So that's why I got it. And I have a lot of like new crayons and pencils and markers and stuff that I got. So I can use these and chill out and do something different. I'm going to make myself do that. But those other ones, I probably need to put in some kind of gift basket or something. I was like, oh, I'm not really interested in the design of those. So these to-go Lysol disinfectant wipes, when I see them, I go ahead and pick them up. I put these in my purse, use these for everything. To wipe off the table, the handle on the cart. I got these pointed tip shears. And we need to do something with the plant. I can't think of the word, what it's called. But anyway, is it prune? Prune. I got a hair bonnet. This is not the one I wanted. I just wanted the plain black. They had none because I was going to get several of them because the elastic does wear out in them. And I just got some and they disappeared. They just been wearing a bonnet too. So I don't know if he confiscated some of mine. I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm going to invest in a more quality bonnet. Okay, I don't quite like these with the foiling or whatever because they're kind of rough to me. But anyway, okay, so I got 3 of these Deep Clean Neutrogena Purifying Hydrogel Masks. I haven't used these before, but I figured worth a try for Neutrogena. I've been trying to, part as my self-care, do a mask on weekends and Wednesdays. So I'm due a mask tomorrow. And then I got 2 of these nail polish removers. Let's see. Those are the other frames. I got a total of 6. And I think that's it, y'all. Is that it? Yeah, that's it from the Dollar Tree. I did get some Brim's popcorn. This popcorn here, the Brim's popcorn, it's really good. It tastes like the movie theater popcorn. Of course, we can make our own, but it's good. It's really good for $1. I was noticing that people were picking this up and that was the only thing they picked up, so I was like, I'm gonna try that. And I think some YouTubers said it was good. But anyway, this is all that I got, y'all. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye bye.